Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Mo. We're in the middle of the procedure, and Mo decided she wants to be part of our video crew. And Mo, how has it been so far?
Good. Everyone's wonderful. A breath of fresh air.
So Mo flew in last night, and she's here until tomorrow. However, we are going ahead and bringing back her edges. How did you find out about us, and what made you interested in getting a hair transplant?
YouTube and Monique. So my edges have been locked up abroad, and they're not being let go. So I've decided to restore them a different kind of way. So came back here after researching other people. Watching Monique's story kind of sealed it and confirmed that this is where I needed to be.
And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show before and after pictures. I'm also going to do an after the procedure interview with you. We'll show the incision site, and we'll go ahead and keep on checking up with you as the procedure continues.
Awesome sauce.
Here I am with Mo, and we are going ahead and just taking a little bit of a break before we start placing the hair follicles in. Mo, how have you been doing?
Just wonderful, darling.
And what have you experienced so far? Any discomfort? You've been relaxed? You've been talking to us? Listening to music?
Yes, all is well.
Anything you want to share with somebody who's thinking about getting a hair transplant?
Get it, because if it's locked up abroad, it's not going to get a visa. So come back here and restore it.
And how do you like the crew that we work with?
I love them. We're going to sip tea afterwards, right, darlings?
Well, Mo, we'll check in with you a little bit and hope you're enjoying the day.
Thank you, doctor.
No problem. Here I am with Mo, and Mo has just completed her procedure. And Mo is now just gotten her discharge instructions, and she's ready to go back to her Airbnb.
Yes.
Mo, what would you like to tell everybody about the procedure?
Do it. You only live once, and just get your confidence back. You will not regret it.
And that is true. Definitely, we've added a lot of hair today. We've reinforced her edges, and we look forward to following you over the year. And I will be FaceTiming you and doing more videos over the year to show your progress. And again, Mo, it's been a pleasure, and I thank you very much for flying down here to Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And we look forward to seeing hair grow.
Thank you.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.